Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 3rd of July and it is literally so hot today. Right now it's 12 p.m, like 12 noon, and it looks like it's 46 degrees outside because of the humidity, but it is actually not. It's actually 34 degrees Celsius, which is actually pretty hot. If you live where I live, like in Kanpur, it is so hot. Literally I am sweating. And yeah, so this vlog will be a fun one. I guess this is the episode 4 of quarantine vlogs. Now a lot has changed since I filmed the last one. The very first thing which I'm going to do, I actually did not work out this morning because I thought that I'll be starting my periods today, but hopefully and thankfully that did not happen, and I'm happy about it. So I'll work out in the evening today. But today I'm reading this book by Dale Carnegie. This was actually suggested to me by my grandfather. I had this book, it was like, it was thrown out like that. Sorry book. But my grandfather suggested that actually I should read this book, and it's like really good for people like me who have absolutely no friends, and I can also influence some people, which is actually a good thing. And I've said like actually a million times here. Let's just read it. And if you guys know, I've never read a single book in my life other than my course books. So let's see how this goes. Also guys, I'm so sorry for the background noise, but I cannot switch off the fan. I'm so sorry. It's literally very hot and I cannot switch off the fan, and I am shouting because I want you guys to hear me well, so that's why. Hey guys, it's a little later now and I read some of the pages of the book, and now I'm going to watch a Netflix series. Basically it's the TW series. It's the Vampire Diaries. Don't laugh at me. You guys were the one who just suggested me to watch the Vampire Diaries. I wasn't actually going to watch it, and then I watched it and now I'm just obsessed. I don't know why. Okay, firstly, it's a little cringe. I'm not going to lie. Of course it's a little cringe because like the whole supernatural stuff, but I actually like the series. And before you guys ask, I am team Stefan. I don't hate Damon. Like he's good looking and all. I like Ian, but the character of Damon is like a little toxic and abusive, and Stefan is just a cool guy. Okay guys, I like Stefan. Paul Wesley is a great actor, and when I saw him performing Stefan's character, he was really good at it. And before I watched Vampire Diaries, I obviously liked Ian and Paul and Nina, all three. But after watching this, I don't know, I still like them. The most stupid character I think is of Elena. She's such a stupid girl. She makes stupid decisions, and I don't know, Elena is just stupid. But she's actually better than Bella in Twilight. If you compare it to Twilight is actually quite trash. But yeah, Vampire Diaries is actually better than Twilight. That's the update. Let's watch Vampire Diaries together. I completed the series, by the way. I'm watching it again. So guys, I have this amazing filter on. Look at this on Instagram. I'll just show it to you this way because I don't know it's visible or not. Oh god. I always use this filter and send it to everybody, but never put it on my story. This is so funny. Looks like I'm an elephant or something like that. I'll send it to my friends. I just got the brilliant idea to video call you guys. Yes, I'm so excited, but I'm also very nervous because I'm not very outgoing and I don't talk to strangers very well. But you guys are definitely not strangers. I mean, you know me, but I don't know you, so that's why you all are strangers to me, and I'm a little scared. But let's see whom I should call. And if you guys don't pick up, I'm gonna be really sad because I don't have any friends. I'm just kidding. I have friends, I want to talk to you guys. So let's see. Okay guys, update. I called a few people. No one picked up. I got no friends. No one is picking up my call. None of you guys are picking up my call, and when you call back, then I'll be busy or something and I will not be able to take your call. So guys, this is actually a spare room in my house in which no one lives. This is actually an old room in my house. It is like my house is divided into like two parts, like the back section of the house and the front section of the house. So the back section of the house is the old house in which we lived previously, like बहुत सालों पहले, मैं 5 साल की थी. उसके बाद our house got renovated and उसके आगे बन गया था घर. तो आगे वाले section में we live and पीछे वाले section में it is basically most of the rooms are empty, no one lives there. So this is one of those rooms, spare rooms, and the room is not very pretty. There's only like one wall which are decorated well and it looks good, but yeah. So in this Polaroid wall I have all of my family and my friends pictures. So that's my 2 dogs. I have more dogs but I don't have like their photos, physical photos. Then that's my grandma. That's One Direction. That's Sergio Ramos, Real Madrid's captain. He's one of my favorite players. That's Real Madrid, that's Zinedine Zidane, my dog. That's Ronaldo. That's my family. These are my cousins. This is my sister and my friend Koshki, whom you guys have seen previously. She is like my best friend and my sister's best friend also. She's like a family friend. Not a family, she's more like a family than a friend. Then here, this is me, this is my sister, this is my cousin, that's my grandpa, and that's my brother. That's me, and this like the most ugliest photo. That's my best friend Dia. That's my best friend Ananya. That's my these are my batchmates and some of my friends. Then again my batchmates and friends. This is my best friend Gitanshi. The photo is really bad. That's my school DPS Nagar, in which I studied till grade 10. Yeah, that's all. That's my Polaroid wall. And yeah, I forgot this picture. That's my father, mother and my sister. This is like basic stuff, and there I have put some wallpaper so that it does not like look bad. It wasn't looking bad, but I just had to do it. And that's like some stuff. Those are some books which I've kept, one of which I'm reading, one of which I've actually read, that 1001 days wala. मुझे अच्छा लगा था. उसके बाद I have this guitar which I don't know how to play, of course, and I have this snake plant which is like real. It's real, it's not fake. That's that. To change the bedding, I have this white bed sheet over here which is kept here, but I'm too lazy to like spread it out and do everything. So I got these pillows, two of these, and I got these like cushions and these covers. I got the covers from Amazon. These are actually really good quality. I'll link them down below if you want to check it out. And I have these 3 frames which are super aesthetic. These are all vintage. I got these frames from like a local market and stuff. The first one says motel. Actually wanted to get the cars one, like the Disney cars one, Flo's Cafe, but I wasn't able to find the picture. So I got this one instead. This one's actually really cute as well. Then I got this aesthetic like ocean thing going on, really cute again. And the last one is this one. I guess it's New York Times Square, but it's from 70s or 80s. It's very like a vintage photo, and I'm obsessed with the vintage aesthetic, so that's what it looks like. So guys, that was the mini room tour. I hope you liked it. And so guys, I have the story. It's quite aesthetic looking, not going to lie, so I'm going to post this. So your story, I guess. Yeah, that should be your story. And I also need to put it in like the highlights with the BTS, like behind the scenes, so I'll do that as well. I've changed this to like pink, the entire thing. First it was pink and blue, but it looked a little bit like discoordinated. Here's my Instagram feed. You guys should definitely follow me, samraddhi.fanmail. Yeah. So guys, I ordered some clothes from Pantaloons. One of the parcel actually came in. It only had this dress. This is this denim dress. I got it for my little sister, but I don't think that will fit her. It's from the junior section, and I legit can wear it. I'll wear it and show it to you guys right now. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Not my style, and it's a little loose for me. Yahan se. It's quite loose for me. If I ever wear it, I'll have to wear a belt with it. But but I'm never going to wear it because it is not my style. So let's see what I'm going to do with this. So guys, I'm video calling with Tripti right now, and she was the first one to actually call me back because no one else was picking up right now. And I've changed it into this outfit because I'm going to film the 3rd episode of Chat with Sam, and you might know the guest already. She's like a really nice person, a YouTuber, so you'll see that, and I'll show you the outfit. I'm wearing this top, like this is a tube top. My sister actually made it because she's in fashion designing and she made it, so I stole it from her, of course. And then I'm wearing these shorts which are really cool, and these are from Shein. Currently 5:30 p.m. and I just filmed a video like Chat with Sam episode number 3. I talked with her and she was so sweet, you guys. Like, I'll not be telling the name in this video, of course. I don't want to give spoilers. You have to wait for it like the next Wednesday, not the coming Wednesday, uske agle wala. But it was so nice talking to her, and she's like literally so sweet. It's like, I like making Chat with Sam series. It's really nice. You get to know other content creators as well, and it's just really nice. I actually like it. So guys, right now I'll be changing, and it is literally so hot. I was sweating the entire time. If you see my hair, it's entirely full of sweat. That's what I hate about it, but I guess we have to live with it. And also for those of you who tell me that what I wear, if I'm a girly girl or if I'm not, or if I'm a tomboy or something like that, guys, chill. You need to chill because I am actually a tomboy. No matter what I wear, मुझे पता है कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, and it's actually my choice. If I want to wear something, I'll wear that. If I don't want to wear something, I'll not wear that. But most of the time I'm just sitting in my pajamas and stuff. For the pictures though, I do get a little dressed up and stuff, but otherwise I'm literally a full-on tomboy. Especially in winters, I get extra. I have a leftover pizza from yesterday. I'm going to be eating that. And guys, please let me know in the comment box below that what other videos you would like to see me making, and what should I do in my vlogs, because I get a little bit bored. Of course I do. So that's all. So that was all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi, and on Twitter it's at samraddhi07. I follow you back if you follow me there. And if I video call some of you, please pick it up, because it makes me sad if you don't. And that's all. I'll see you guys on Wednesday with the new episode of Chat with Sam. Bye.